We're building the data layer for sustainable manufacture. So if you look around wherever you're sitting right now, the chair you're sitting on, the paint on the wall, the windows, our customer is anyone producing any of those materials. And we help them create their life cycle assessments, their environmental product declarations. So why did me and Alex start Pathways? Well, today, material manufacturers, anyone making a product in the built environment, are so underserved when it comes to actually generating these EPDs. They have to go to a consultant, they have to do it all manually. But the core of this is it's all data. So our platform sits on top of their data stack, pulling in the material inputs, think the chemical varnish on top of the paint on your wall, the transport to the manufacturing site, and the actual manufacturing process, waste, water, fuel, energy. We generate real-time life cycle assessments. To anyone who makes a material, whether that be a steel beam, a cement block, a chair, the paint on our wall, it should not be this hard to actually communicate your sustainability information. We automate the whole data ingestion, and then we make it really easy for sales teams, for marketing teams, for sustainability teams to communicate this internally and externally. Towards 2060, the urban environment is going to double. That's the biggest built world expansion in human history, right? We're building a new New York City every single month globally. Every single building material will have to decarbonize if we are to hit even the remote targets from sustainability and climate perspective. That's why you need something like Pathways that actually services the material manufacturers. Buildings are like Lego, right? If you are a real estate developer and you're building a new building, or you're doing a retrofit, or you're an architect who are designing a new room, every single material you choose is the ultimate environmental impact of that building, right? And we are generating the data that allows you to decarbonize that. We're going through the biggest expansion in built world in human history. If we don't decarbonize every single material, the planet we're looking around, London behind me here, we're not going to have this tomorrow. As we are electrifying the grid, decarbonizing heavy industry, manufacturing is at the very forefront of climate, global warming pressure, and biodiversity. It takes a village to solve these things, and honestly, would not be possible without the investors who are backing us. I mean, for me and Alex, Pi Labs has been absolutely critical in scaling up. So whether that be introductions to customers, strategy on commercialization, contracting, product development, they're the kind of investors you want in your corner. We closed a heavily oversubscribed round back in December 2023, and right now, we are heads down focused on acquiring customers and deploying our product and scaling up. So if you know anyone in the manufacturing or product space who's struggling on sustainability, put us in contact. We'd love to connect. That's really what's next for us.